welcome to Windows Help. Today I will show you how to charge your iPhone when it is not charging. Okay. Firstly, check for the cable if there are any damages. Or usually iPhone cables are very brittle and it definitely breaks easily. So if you have an alternate cable, check with that cable or check if there is any damage to the cable. Okay. And the second thing is check the adapter. Okay. If you have any issues with the adapter, you can change the wall outlet. Okay, or connect to an alternate wall outlet to check it. Okay. And another step which you could perform is press and hold the power button and the home button, do a hard restart as shown in the video. That would most probably fix the iPhone issues for not charging. And the other issue is when we carry the phone in the pockets, there is possible chances of for debris, lint or any other obstruction to stuck in the iPhone charging port, or just check if there is any blockage. You can use the iPhone SIM removal tool or any other pin to clear the obstructions in the charging port. So these are the steps which you could follow, and if it still doesn't help you, you may have to get the iPhone checked at the service center or repair center. And that's about it, folks, and I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe and share my video. I'll be sharing more videos ahead. Thank you.